Nature of American political parties. Political parties are essential for organizing political life, facilitating debates and discussion, acting as a link between the public and government, and enabling citizens to participate in the political process. Thus, political parties reflect the complexity and dynamism of the American political party and its smooth functioning to achieve its dynamic goals. First one, two-party system. The United States operates under a two-party system. The Democratic and the Republicans, who dominate the election and political discourse. Second, ideology. Parties represent different political ideologies with Democratic leaning towards left, advocating social equality and government intervention, while Republicans leaning towards right, advocating for free market economy and limited government. Third, role in elections. Parties are necessary for organizing elections, recruiting candidates, mobilizing voters, providing funds for candidates, and a platform to articulate their policies. Fourth, organizational structure. Parties are organized at national, state, and local levels with its own leadership and their own methods for mobilizing voters and recruiting candidates. Fifth, influence of interest groups. Parties, policy agendas, and electoral strategies are influenced by interest groups. This is incorporated to secure the support of various interest groups. Sixth, adaptability. Parties adapt their policies to the changing public sentiments and demographic changes. This reflects the interests of their constituents, thus keeping their long-term viability. Seventh, impact on governance. Parties influence governance through legislative agendas, meeting people in government, and the selection of leaders in government. Eighth, shape public opinion. Parties influence and shape public opinion through grassroots activities, campaigns, and meetings. Difference between political parties and pressure groups. First point, formation. Political party is formed when a group of people come together to contest the election to secure power. Pressure group is formed when people having a common occupation, interest, or opinion come together to resolve their issues. Second, aim. Political party aims to secure power by contesting elections. Pressure group aims to influence the decision-making process of the government. Third, base. Political party has wider base as it covers wider range of issues. Pressure group has narrow base as it covers narrow range of issues. Fourth, membership. Political party has regular membership due to its definite ideology and program. Pressure group may or may not have regular membership due to lack of specific ideology and program. Fifth, appeal. Political party has a broad appeal. Pressure group has a narrow appeal. Sixth, ideology. Political party is a politically motivated organization. Pressure group are non-political organization. Seventh, symbol. Political party is represented by a symbol. Pressure group rarely has a symbol. Eighth, recognition. Political party is a formal institution or organization recognized by the Election Commission of India. Pressure group is an informal institution. Ninth, accountable. Political parties are accountable. If not, they will be voted out of power by the electorate in the elections. Pressure groups are not accountable to people. 10th, methods used. Political party in opposition try to bring changes in policies of government through legislative means in parliament or state assemblies. Pressure group try to bring changes by organizing mass protests, meetings, filing petitions, etc. 11th, focus. Political party focused on matters that concern the state or nation. The manifestos cover defense, international relations, social cause, economy of the nation. Pressure group is guided by issues which affect a certain group of people. For example, Narmada Bachao Andolan was protesting against construction of a dam on Narmada River. 12th, examples. Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Labour Party, Conservative Party, Republican Party, Democratic Party. Examples: Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, Narmada Andolan Samiti, Peasant Organization, Teachers Organization, Lawyers Organization. Similarities between political parties and pressure groups. Political parties and pressure groups play a crucial role in the functioning of a democratic government, and therefore they are important actors in the political process. The similarities are as follows. First point, influence policies. Political parties and pressure groups aim to influence government policies and decisions. They advocate their interests and seek to shape public opinion. For example, the Self-Employed Women's Association influenced the government to improve its policies on the rights of women workers. Second, mobilization of support. Political parties and pressure groups engage in activities such as organizing rallies, protests and campaigns to mobilize public support for their agendas. Third, advocacy and lobbying. Political parties and pressure groups seek to persuade policy makers and influence legislation through media outreach, public campaigns, and meeting elected officials. For example, Executive Director Jennifer Morgan of Greenpeace met with legislators to pursue their cause. Fourth, establish alliances. political parties and pressure groups may form alliances with other like-minded parties or groups to achieve goals or increase their bargaining capacity. For example, Bharatiya Kisan Union was supported by the Indian National Congress during farmers' protests in Punjab and Haryana. The Akali Dal supported the farmers' agitation against the farm laws, and this led the Akali Dal to withdraw support to the Modi government. Fifth, participation in elections. Political parties and pressure groups engage in electoral activities by endorsing candidates and supporting their political campaigns that align with their interests. For example, Hindu Mahasabha support candidates from the BJP or candidates who support Sanatan Dharma. Sixth, participation. Political parties and pressure groups provide opportunities for citizens' participation, thus providing avenues for expressing diverse viewpoints.